Good evening, this is William Carey, and this is my project version 1 for advanced server-side languages with Orkin Tajtikin. So for my video, I went ahead and I wanted to go ahead and create a website for my company that provided a home page, an about page, a sign up page, and now I'm trying to incorporate a post page so that you can reference any jobs that you'd like to go ahead and have us do. So um, here goes. Let's see. So that you can kind of get an idea of how I went ahead and set up all my code. I have everything running through my routes. I'm importing Flask. I'm using Flask, and here I'm importing a couple different templates to help. And models, I'm using models to go ahead and set up my database, and also to set up my sessions for my user and my post. And then with forms, I'm also using that forms and importing sign up form and login form to try and make my forms a little bit more organized and easier. So here's my models. In my models, I did the class for my database. So I have a user ID, in my table name users. I have a user ID, first name, last name, email, and my password hash, which actually gets the password. And as you can see here, it gets the password and it hashes it so that the password is not easily copied or anything like that. And this is also the information to go ahead and set that up so that it returns the password as a password hash. This is for my post. I did the table name as post, and I just set up a basic ID for the ID of the post, title, and the body. And I'll show you guys a little bit of that later. For my forms here, same thing, just some validators so that if anything was to happen, initially you'll see all of this pop up, but then also it provides you with kind of a hey, you did this wrong. Go ahead and fix this kind of thing. And my views, I have the same thing. So here, let's see, go ahead and get into my environment. So here's my page, just to go ahead and start off, as you can see. So this is my home page. I just put the About Us there. Again, the About Us page goes ahead and just does the About Us. I tried to do this in Bootstrap as well, so as you can see, it kind of holds a little bit of responsivity to the page, no matter what size you're in. I did the sign up, as you can see here. Uh, we'll just go ahead and um, put in. Let's put in John Smith, and then we'll put in, say, jsmith at user.com, and put in his password as 12345, and we'll sign him up. And from there, you see it all goes ahead and it populates in, and this is my user table because I'm using PostgreSQL to go ahead and get all my information in there. So if I just select from users, we see John Smith was created and his password is hashed. Again, I just kind of went ahead and I tried to do as many pages as I could to make it easy. I'm still working currently on my request job. If I put in, say, help, website needed or something like that right now, I'm getting an error, and I'm not quite sure what's happening with that error, but I'll go ahead and try and work on that and get it all rectified within the next week. And with that, also just try and add a little bit more function and try and clean up the website a little bit so that it does look a little bit more presentable, no matter what size you may be browsing at. So ultimately, this is my page. going to go ahead and add some more color and just some different features so that it does look a little bit better. And ultimately, I thank you for watching. Any feedback, positive or negative, feel free to give it. I'm willing to accept all. And I again thank you very much for your time, and hope everyone has a great class.